Intro music. Text on screen. How to install Elementum Kodi Addon on FireStick 2024 step-by-step guide, host on camera. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest tutorials. Today I'm going to show you how to install the Elementum Kodi Addon on your FireStick. Whether you're using a Fire TV stick, Nvidia Shield, Android TV box, or even a Windows PC or smartphone, this guide is for you. Text on screen. What is Elementum? Host on camera. Before we dive into the installation process, let me quickly explain what Elementum is. Elementum is a powerful Kodi add-on for streaming movies and TV shows. Unlike regular add-ons, it uses BitTorrent technology to download and upload content, which helps you stream in HD without any buffering issues. It also supports tracked integration, so you can sync your content library across devices. Just a quick reminder, Elementum is a third-party add-on, so you should always use a VPN like NordVPN to protect your identity when using it. Text on screen. Is Elementum safe and legal? Host on camera. Now let's talk about safety and legality. Since Elementum is a third-party add-on, it's not officially supported by Kodi. While it hasn't raised any red flags in virus scans, using add-ons like this can sometimes be a legal grey area, especially if they access copyrighted content. So make sure you're only streaming content that's available in the public domain. Text on screen. Installation process, part 1. Enable unknown sources, host on camera. All right, let's get started with the installation. The process is pretty straightforward, and I've broken it down into 3 parts. First, we need to enable unknown sources on Kodi. This allows us to install third-party add-ons like Elementum, screen recording. Launch Kodi on your device. Go to the settings menu by selecting the gear icon. Select System and then Add-ons from the left panel. Turn on unknown sources and confirm by clicking Yes, host on camera. Great! Now that we've enabled unknown sources, let's move on to installing the repository. Text on screen. Installation process part 2, install the repository, host on camera. Next we need to install the Gaia Repository, which contains the Elementum add-on. Let's walk through the steps. Screen recording. Return to the Kodi home screen and select File Manager. Choose Add Source and then click on Enter the URL https://repo.gaiakodi.com and click OK. Name the source Gaia and click OK again. Go back to the main screen and select Add-ons. Choose Install from zip file, select Gaia, and then choose repository.gaia full zip. Wait for the Gaia repository to install. Host on camera. With the repository installed, we're almost there. Now let's install the Elementum add-on. Text on screen. Installation process part 3, install Elementum, screen recording, select Install from repository from the same screen, choose Gaia repository full, then select Video Add-ons, scroll down and find Elementum, click on Install and confirm by clicking OK. Wait for the add-on to download and install. When prompted, click Yes to install the Elementum Burst add-on. Host on camera. And there you have it. Elementum is now installed on your Kodi. You can start streaming your favorite shows and movies right away. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also, let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's a tutorial you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching and happy streaming.